Apple iTunes is a media player, library, and mobile device management utility. You can purchase, play, download, and organize digital media. So what are you waiting for? Let's start using Apple iTunes on your Windows PC. First of all, we have to install it on our Windows PC. Hello friends, welcome to my channel TechEditor. Do you also want to install Apple iTunes on your PC and enjoy everything you need for entertainment? It is very easy to do this. Let's start the video. Go to the search menu bar of your PC and open Microsoft Store. Type iTunes in the search bar and open it. Click on the app that appears on the screen. Click on Get button, and it will start downloading. Wait for some time and let it download. Open it after downloading. Next, you have to read some terms and conditions and click on the Agree button. Here you will be asked to share details about your library with Apple to see artist images, album covers, and other related information in your library. Click Agree if you want. You will now need to sign in to the iTunes Store. Enter your Apple ID and password, and click on Sign In. iTunes is installed on your device. You can now sync music, movies, and more to iTunes. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.